Hey guys, big news in the Samsung Galaxy. The official launch of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and the mighty S24 Ultra. And trust me, it's not just another phone launch. Samsung's got some serious goodies up its sleeve. Before we dig in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the squad. Let's roll. Alright folks, buckle up. The Galaxy S24 series is here and it's bringing the heat. From the event, we got a sneak peek at some exciting upgrades and one word, Galaxy AI. It's like having a tech wizard right in your pocket. But hold on to your hats. That's not the only bombshell dropped at the event. Samsung just hit us with a game changer, 7 generations of OS updates. Yes, you heard it right. 7 years of the latest and greatest Android goodness. Your S-series smartphone could potentially dance its way through Android 21. Now, I know you're wondering which devices are on this update party train. Well, here's the scoop. The 7-year update extravaganza kicks off with the Galaxy S24 series. Unfortunately, no love for the S23 or other premium devices like the Fold 5 and Flip 5 for now. This is a switcheroo from 2022 when Samsung spilled the beans on a list of devices getting the extended update treatment. But hey, it got their reasons. Samsung's throwing in this update fiesta not just for the tech thrill, but to help us keep our Galaxy buddies around for longer. Plus, they're on a mission to up their eco game, using more recycled materials in crafting these beauties. So there you have it, the Galaxy S24 series, not just a phone, but a commitment to a tech journey. What do you think about Samsung's 7-year update promise? Drop your thoughts below and let's chat. Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech talks.